Hey guys, Michelle here from Michelle's Party Planning. I just wanted to pop in and give you a quick tutorial on how you can make outdoor Halloween pillows using items from the Dollar Tree and a pillow insert. So what you're going to need is a pillow insert. I get this from IKEA. This is a 20 by 20 pillow insert, and then a chair cover. And you'll also need some fastener strip, also at Dollar Tree, glue gun, and some scissors. What you're going to do is just cut your fastener tape to length. Don't even have to measure it, just kind of eyeball it. And then fold over the cover. And simply just glue the strips inside the cover. So now you've just made a weatherproof cover for your porch or your backyard. And you just insert your pillow insert and seal it up and you're done. And the best part is you can fold it up and put it away with your Halloween decor and just reuse your insert for a different project or a different pillow cover. That's all you have to do. And that's it. Super simple, inexpensive, budget-friendly, outdoor weatherproof pillow covers for your pillow inserts, which will look great on your porch or on your patio. So I hope you like this idea. Please give it a thumbs up or comment below. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.